Hi, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you where to find an API key of your Streak CRM account to connect it with linked helper. Let's add the send person to external CRM action to the workflow. Choose Streak CRM from the list and click Next. Now you need to connect your Streak account using an API key. Open your Streak CRM account. In the upper right corner, click on the three dots button. Navigate to Integrations and Automation. Choose Custom Integrations option. Click Create New Key and copy it. Paste the key into Link Helper settings and hit Next. Well done! Linked Helper and Streak CRM are connected now. Watch the next tutorial to understand export settings and map the fields.